Look at your hands. Now think about your knees, your hips, your spine. Every single day, a silent, microscopic fire is burning inside your joints. You don't feel it at first. It starts as a whisper, a slight stiffness when you wake up, a subtle click when you walk up the stairs. But by the time you actually feel the pain, the damage is already done. Millions of people are swallowing handfuls of ibuprofen, rubbing chemical creams on their skin, and buying useless bottles of low-grade collagen and glucosamine, hoping for a miracle that never comes. You've been told that joint degradation is just a normal part of aging. You've been told that your cartilage is like the brake pads on a car, and once they wear out, it's over. Metal on metal, bone on bone. But what if I told you that this is a complete biological lie? What if I told you that hidden deep within the most unforgiving, arid forests on the planet, there is an ancient biological mechanism designed to heal wounds, seal infections, and regenerate tissue? An ancient remedy so powerful it was once valued more than solid gold. Today, we are not talking about some fad diet or a synthetic laboratory chemical. We are going to unlock the ancient forest secret that modern medical science is finally forced to acknowledge. We are going to talk about the resin remedy. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how your joints degrade, the specific enzyme responsible for destroying your cartilage, and the ancient tree sap that possesses the exact chemical key to shut that enzyme down permanently. Get comfortable. This is going to change your body. Let's travel back in time. Long before pharmaceutical empires existed, humanity relied on a deep, intuitive observation of nature. If you walk through the rocky, punishing terrains of India, the Middle East, or the Horn of Africa, you will find trees that look like they have survived an apocalypse. These are the boswellia trees. They grow where almost nothing else can. And when these trees are attacked, when an animal gouges their bark or a violent sandstorm rips their branches, they do not die, they bleed. They exude a thick, aromatic, golden sap. This resin is the tree's immune system. It seals the wound against bacteria, fights off fungal infections, and initiates a profound cellular healing process. Ancient physicians watched this happen and asked a revolutionary question. If this sap can heal the skin of the forest, what can it do for the flesh of a human? For over 3,000 years, this resin, known as frankincense or Boswellia serrata, became the foundation of Ayurvedic and traditional medicine. Kings demanded it. The Silk Road was paved with it. But for a long time, modern doctors laughed at it. They called it primitive folklore. That all changed when molecular biologists finally put this ancient resin under the microscope. What they found didn't just validate 3 millennia of ancient wisdom, it completely disrupted our modern understanding of how joint inflammation actually works. To understand why this resin is a medical marvel, you first have to understand the invisible war happening inside your joints right now. When you experience joint pain, whether it is osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or just wear and tear from lifting weights, the pain is not the root problem. The pain is an alarm bell. The actual fire is a biological process driven by something called the arachidonic acid cascade. I know that sounds complicated, but stay with me. Your body produces specific enzymes that create inflammation. One of the most destructive of these enzymes is called 5-LOX. Think of the 5-LOX enzyme as a rogue demolition crew inside your body. When you are injured, or simply as you age, 5-LOX goes into overdrive. It produces chemicals called leukotrienes. These leukotrienes act like acid, literally eating away at your cartilage and causing your joint lining to swell, stiffen, and scream in agony. Now, traditional painkillers like NSAIDs, your standard ibuprofen or naproxen, do not touch the 5-LOX pathway. They block a completely different pathway called COX-2.
This is why you can take painkillers for years, destroy your stomach lining in the process, and your arthritis still gets worse. You are turning off the smoke alarm, but the house is still burning down. Enter the Resin Remedy. When scientists analyzed the chemical structure of Boswellia serrata, they discovered a collection of highly complex molecules called boswellic acids, and one of them, known as AKBA, is an absolute biological masterpiece. AKBA is a direct, non-toxic inhibitor of the 5-LOX enzyme. Let me repeat that, because it is the most important sentence in this entire video. The tree resin physically binds to the exact enzyme that is eating your cartilage, and it forcefully shuts it down. It stops the production of leukotrienes at the source. It doesn't just mask the pain, it halts the demolition crew. By stopping the degradation of cartilage, Boswellia actually gives your body the breathing room it needs to start rebuilding tissue. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at the hard, undeniable clinical data, because the modern medical establishment demands proof, and the ancient forest has delivered it in spades. In a landmark, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial, the absolute gold standard of science, researchers gave patients with severe knee osteoarthritis a high-quality Boswellia extract. These were people who could barely walk without agonizing pain. Within just 7 days, the patients taking the resin extract reported a massive reduction in pain. 7 days. That is faster than almost any over-the-counter joint supplement on the market. But the real shock came when the researchers looked deeper. They measured the gap between the bones in the knee joint using X-rays. In patients taking a placebo, the gap continued to shrink, meaning the cartilage was still rotting away. But in the Boswellia group, the degradation completely stopped. In some cases, the joint space actually increased. Furthermore, unlike pharmaceutical painkillers that cause severe gastrointestinal bleeding, liver stress, and cardiovascular issues, the tree resin had a side effect profile virtually identical to the placebo. It protected the stomach rather than destroying it. But the magic of the forest doesn't stop with Boswellia alone. Nature is synergistic. It thrives on combinations. If you want to create an unstoppable cartilage rebuilding protocol, you have to introduce the resin remedy to its ancient partner. That partner is curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric. Now, you've probably heard of turmeric. It's famous for its anti-inflammatory properties. But taking turmeric by itself is a massive mistake that millions of people make every day.
Curcumin is highly unstable and incredibly difficult for your body to absorb. More importantly, while Boswellia targets the 5-LOX enzyme, curcumin targets the COX-2 enzyme and pro-inflammatory cytokines. When you combine the resin remedy with high-absorption curcumin, you create a dual pathway strike. You shut down 5-LOX with the tree sap, and you shut down COX-2 with the root. It is a biological pincer movement that completely annihilates joint inflammation from every possible angle. Clinical trials testing this exact combination have yielded results that rival prescription arthritis medications, but without the toxic biochemical toll on your organs. The synergy is so profound that researchers noted significant improvements in grip strength, walking distance, and joint flexibility. Now, here is where the story gets dark. Because whenever something works this well, the supplement industry steps in to exploit it. And if you go to your local pharmacy right now and buy a bottle of cheap Boswellia or frankincense, you are likely throwing your money into a fire. The raw resin of the Boswellia tree is expensive to harvest. It requires skilled labor in some of the most dangerous regions on Earth. So what do mass-market supplement companies do? They cheat. They take the leftover depleted bark of the tree, grind it into dust, put it in a capsule, and sell it to you. This dead sawdust contains almost 0% of the crucial AKBA molecule. It is biologically useless. To actually get the joint rebuilding benefits of the resin remedy, you must become an educated consumer.
You cannot just look at the front of the bottle. You have to turn it around and look at the fine print. You're looking for a patented extract or a label that specifically guarantees a standardization of at least 20 to 30% AKBA. If the label just says Boswellia extract with no percentage, put it back on the shelf. It is garbage. Furthermore, genuine Boswellia resin is fat-soluble. This means that if you take it on an empty stomach with just a glass of water, your body will literally flush it out. You will absorb almost none of it. To activate the resin, to allow it to cross the intestinal barrier and flood your bloodstream, you must take it with a high-quality dietary fat, an avocado, a handful of almonds, or a spoon of extra virgin olive oil. This simple trick acts like a Trojan horse, carrying the heavy resin molecules directly into your circulatory system, where they can be transported straight to the inflamed synovial fluid in your knees, hips, and hands. Let's talk about bone density. While Boswellia is the undisputed king of cartilage and joint lining, the health of your skeletal structure relies on the deep marrow and the bone matrix itself. Recent studies suggest that the profound anti-inflammatory environment created by the Resin Remedy actually protects bone-building cells called osteoblasts. When your body is inflamed, it triggers osteoclasts, the cells that tear bone down. By quieting the systemic inflammation, Boswellia creates a sanctuary where your bones can actually retain their density. You are not just masking pain, you are altering the microscopic ecosystem of your skeleton, creating a foundation of longevity. Think of your body as a fortress. For years, the gates have been battered by the inflammatory storms of modern diet, stress, and physical wear. The 5-LOX enzyme has been breaching the walls. The medical industry told you there was no way to rebuild the walls. They handed you painkillers that only silenced the cries of the guards while the fortress burned. But the ancient forest knew better. It provided a biological mortar, a golden sap that, when utilized correctly, seals the breaches, neutralizes the fire, and allows the body's natural architects to reconstruct the damage. This is not alternative medicine. This is original medicine. So, what is the ultimate protocol? If you want to harness this ancient power, start with a highly standardized Boswellia extract, at least 30% AKBA. Pair it with a highly bioavailable curcumin extract. Take them together twice a day, specifically with a meal containing healthy fats. Give it consistency. This is not a chemical drug that numbs your brain in 20 minutes. This is a tissue rebuilding protocol. Give it 30 days. Within the first week, you will likely notice the morning stiffness starting to fade. That sharp, stabbing pain when you stand up will become dull. Within a month, you may find yourself walking longer, bending deeper, living freer. And it's not just Boswellia. Pine bark extract, pycnogenol, and myrrh all share these incredible resinous defense mechanisms. The forests of the world are quite literally bleeding the cures to our most chronic degenerative diseases. We just have to be humble enough to look back to nature and smart enough to apply modern science to extract its true potential. We have to stop accepting pain as a life sentence. Your joints are meant to carry you through a long, vibrant life. They are meant to be resilient. By introducing the Resin Remedy into your biology, you are giving your body the ancient tools it needs to win the war against inflammation. The forest has shared its secret. The science has confirmed its power. Now the choice is yours. Will you continue to rely on the band-aids of modern chemistry, or will you heal yourself with the blood of the ancient trees? If this deep dive into the true science of joint health brought you value, share this video with someone who is silently suffering. Hit the like button to help the algorithm spread this truth, and subscribe for more deep dives into the hidden mechanisms of the human body. Stay strong and keep moving.